What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to install a French drain to a dry well because as you can see here, he's got his pool, he's got the flower bed in the back. The grade of everything goes from the front of the house all the way down to the back of the house, so the water ends up building up in front of his flower bed, and when we had a really hard rain it almost overflowed and went into his pool, and we all know that's no good. So we're going to go ahead and start here at the beginning, have the catch basin for anything that the water goes too fast, it'll rush into. It'll have an immediate port to go through, which is on the top of the catch basin. All this is going to be exposed rock, so the water can quickly be absorbed into the French drain and into the ground. We're going to have it come through here, come over through his gate. Going to install the mini dry well right over here, and then even a little tiny overflow dry well after that. And let's get to it. All right, now we have it all dug out. As you can see, they already have a mini French drain system in here, so I have to start in front of that, but it's to catch up the channel drain coming from his pool, and they've ran the downspouts in it. That's why that's solid pipe right there. Now, so I went ahead and dug on each side of it, so that way the water builds up over there, it can still go under, go into my trench with a French drain and everything. And if the water builds up too quick, too fast into this corner, it'll go straight into the top of the catch basin, so that way the water will be able to facilitate a lot quicker. As you can see, we have it all dug, all goes around. He's putting all his stepping stones back down above this, so all this is going to be solid. All this is perforated here, goes through here, through the gate. On the other side of the gate, and there's going to be dry well number 1 right there, which is the main dry well. And if that ever fills up too quick, because if we have a rainstorm that drops 2, 3, 4 inches within an hour, it could possibly fill this up real quick. So if it does, instead of backtracking, it's going to overflow into the secondary dry well, which is actually quite a little bit lower on the slope. So that way, if that one fills up, it'll overflow and go out into the forest. So time to filter cloth and get things piped. All right, here's the other side. We have the overflow, which is a solid line. As you can see, it is completely downhill. It goes into this dry well, which we have a T on the bottom, so the water is going to go in. If it ever fills up, it'll fill back up, back into the pipe, go all the way over into our other overflow, which is, as you can see, about
3 feet, 3.5 feet deep.
3.5, 3, yep. And yeah, it'll go in there, and if it ever overflows out of that, since this is actually lower than the other one, it will overflow and just go into the ground. All right, here we go. We got it all filter cloth and piped up. As you can see, the level right here, we got it downhill to level all the way. Goes all the way down here, and the perforated converts into the solid, so that way it'll be under his stepping stone still. Put the level back down, and as you can see, all the way completely downhill. So as soon as anything hits this corner, it's going to streamline all the way to the dry well. Now time to rock and backfill. And here we go. I have everything rocked up. Both dry wells are completely rocked. Now time to fold the filter cloth back over, put some filter cloth down here, and throw the dirt all back over all of this. And this is how the back looks now that we're all finished. All you see is the dirt backfilled over it. We're gonna put a little bit of seed, grow grass, and it'll look like never been here and that there's nothing here. Now to show the inside. All right, and here's the final, all backfilled, filter cloth back. There's the catch basin. Everything's filter cloth back over, that's rock. Then where it converts back into solid, goes out once again in the end into the dry well, and there we go. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solution. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.